Yes, I'm a former seminarian, stayed in the seminary for 5 years. So, yeah. For the past 5 years, I've decided to work online and do SEO under the radar, because being above the radar doesn't make any difference. I would like to make sure na ma-disclose ko sa inyo, this topic is a bit tricky. It's a bit technical. So gusto kong malaman sa audience who has programming background. Who among you guys are the ones or involved into planning, like website design and development, kasama dun sa planning. So my topic, when to call it quits, a guide to SEO website migration. When to call it quits, of course there are reasons why we decide to migrate our websites. Let's go with the list. First, a change in brand identity. Siguro merong mga, let's say, you bought a website, or let's say you want to do rebranding. You want to get a new domain, or a domain that has your country TLD, or you want a more relevant domain, or something like you want to have a more recognizable domain. So it is very important that you need to, migrate your site for you to be able to rebrand the entire, maybe a company or a product or a service. So if you think that you've, for the purpose of rebranding, or for the purpose of leveraging the authority of the personality or anything, it would help talaga if you'll try to publish a press release informing everyone that, hey, I migrated my website, this is my new domain, this is my new website, check it out.